Narito na ang PTV Balita ngayon. Patuloy na tinatangkilik at pinagkakatiwalaan ng nakararaming Pilipino si Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. Nananatiling mataas ang trust ratings ng Pangulo mula sa Ilocos Region na 92%, 87% sa Cordillera Administrative Region at 83% sa Cagayan Valley. Base rin sa survey, nakakuha ng pinakamalakas na suporta ang Pangulo mula sa pinakamalawak na sektor ng lipunan ng Class E. Ipinapakita nito ang lalim ng kanyang koneksyon sa karaniwang mamamayan. Patuloy din kinikilala ang Pangulo bilang pinagkakatiwalaan leader pambansa kumpara sa iba pang matataas na opisyal ng pamahalaan, kabilang ang Senate President at House Speaker. Patunay nila ito na mahinahong pamumuno ni Pangulo Marcos Jr. sa pagpapaangat ng ekonomiya, mga programang kaunlaran, infrastruktura, agrikultura at teknolohiya.
What's your comment on the latest Octa survey showing that 59% and 60% ng performance ratings mo this April?
Well, it just validates that what we are doing, that people are beginning to understand what we have been trying to do for the last 2.5, almost 3 years. So it continues to inspire me because it shows that we're making progress. That's always good to know. Kung minsan hindi mo na malaman kung nararamdaman ng tao yung inyong ginagawa, at mabuti naman at nakikita ng taong bayan na yung ginagawa natin at paano makakatulong ito sa pampaganda sa kanilang mga buhay. Thank you very much. Thank you guys.
What is your comments, sir, on the findings on the Senate investigation
That's
on the
for
arrest
another
of,
day.
on the Senate arrest of on the ICC arrest of former President Duterte? Sabi ni Senator Amy, it's politically motivated daw, designed to bring down the Dutertes, and there's an effort daw para pagtakpan yung motive.
Everyone's entitled to their opinion. I disagree.